Hi, it's Kathy from Fieldwork Connections. I am out on the Yr11 on the beautiful Hawkesbury River in my little kayak and thinking about Earth's natural systems and processes. And here I am at Sandy Bay, not far from Brooklyn, just looking at the sediment, because when we're thinking about processes in Earth's natural systems, we've got weathering, erosion, transportation, and then of course deposition. So looking at the different grain size, roughness, different particles in the sediment that is ending up here in Sandy Bay. Also thinking about how the hydrological cycles are bringing the sediment here, and also how it links in with the rock cycle. So we've come across to the northern side, and there is Sandy Bay, just in here. We've come across, look around to the south. We've got Gunya, just over here, and just pulled in this beautiful little bay. And the sediment here is very fine to medium sand. And we're thinking about the processes of the river and how the river deposits sediments that have been transported. A lot of the sediment gets deposited on the inside of a bend. So we're going to come around this river bend here. Dangar Island's just up in here, and the fine sediments have been deposited here on this little beach. We keep into the east this way, we move further down the Hawkesbury and out to the ocean. Thinking a little bit more about fluvial processes or river processes, the reason that the fine sediments are deposited on the inside of the river bend is because as the water moves around that bend, it slows down on that inside bend, and the more that water slows down, the less energy that it has, and therefore the sediments that are being carried in suspension are able to fall from suspension as the river loses its energy. So that's why you get smaller sediments on the inside of bends. And then of course the opposite of that, on the outside of a bend, you get the higher velocity water moving, and that is causing more erosion onto the other side of the bank.